welcome to part 4. So what I have here, I ran out to the farm and just grabbed some old wood and some plywood that I probably bought for like 15 bucks a sheet 2 years ago. And we're gonna do like a 2-tiered roof. So I'll frame that part out of this stuff because you won't be able to see it anyways, so it doesn't have to be cedar. But I'll get this stuff unloaded and then we'll probably start shingling. Alright, well, I apologize for the lack of video, but we're just kind of going hard here shingling. I'll try and squeeze a time lapse in here if I can. I don't have a lot of phone battery to do it with though. But yeah, just shingled up to this point because I'm gonna do that raised top thing, so it'll just sit on top of the shingles and then I won't have to do any flashing, rather than if I shingled up to it then I'd have to flash it. But yeah, it's going good so far. We got that partial bundle and then a full bundle there. It's taking about 2.5 bundles per side, and I got probably 3.5 bundles out at the farm yet, so I'm gonna have to go grab those, but we'll use up what we got here and then I'll go grab those and keep working on that side. Alright, so a little shingle demo here. I got this spacer board, which is pretty close to 6 inches, which is what these are designed to be exposed at. And then I just take a line of them and just leave them wild, and we'll cut them with the track saw. And just start tacking them down. I had to run out to the farm and grab some more. And then you just sort of play around with the spacing to make sure all your keyways are nicely covered. You can lay these down fairly rapidly. This cordless stapler makes it really nice. And yeah, I'm just using narrow crown staples, 1 inch long. I'd like to use longer, but we can't be poking through the other side, or that would look really amateur. And there, that's basically how it goes. Now I'll just pull that board up and move it up a course. Well, that's pretty much it for today. 6:30. Sent Garrett home because I had to go to the farm, but I might as well call her a day. Not much sense in starting anything else, and I kind of need his help to hold the track and cut those back. But one full bundle left, which should be enough to do that top piece. And then I got little scraps and stuff there that I can always, you know, cut out of. But yeah, the more I look at that fascia, the more I like it. It gives it a sort of more distinct, almost like a more pretentious look. But yeah, that's the shingles, and then the cap will be 4 feet by 4 feet, or somewhere in those measurements, whatever is most most suitable. Alright, so one last thing I'm going to do here is break the Hipcaps. Now I had this galvanized steel left over from the saloon when I did the trim work on there. So I'll just pull it over a bit. Now we'll need to come out 28.5. I can't cut these sheets in half because my throat depth isn't deep enough, so we'll have to go like this. I've never had this much pulled out before. Alright, we'll give that a try, see what happens. It's a lot of material. Alright, that'll be our hardest cut. Now I'll want this to be the inside. So I'll put a ham. Steel's hard to bend on this brake. Spin this around. Okay, now what are we at? 7 1/4, roughly. So our center will be 3 5/8. There we'll go. Go 3 3/4. Gotta get some of this garbage out of here. Should have taken that tape off first. should be about the sort of bend we need. I'll maybe just go a little bit more. Get this crap out of here. A little bit more just to be safe. We're not forcing anything. There, I think that's about right. Okay, so that's one hip cap. Now 4 more. Anyways, I hope you're enjoying this little gazebo build so far. It's pretty fun. Haven't really done anything like this, so it's a good learning experience for me and something different to try rather than just, you know, conventional carpentry like roofing and siding and stuff. Sort of a full aspect of everything. That ceiling looks really cool. But yeah, I can't wait to get this stained and see what it looks like. But anyways, thanks for watching and stay healthy, everyone.